Dear student, this is the second part actually, how to express mathematically the torque acting on the coil placed in a magnetic field. So here the simple representation is that AB is the upper part of the coil. You know it is the upper part of the coil. If you use this one, this is the upper part of the coil. This is the coil, rectangular coil, and as the coil is rotating in this manner, so I am taking this part. This is the AB part. As it is rotating, so automatically what happens? This part means that is on the A side the F3 force is acting, and B side the that is the F4 force is acting. These two forces are producing the couple. The force which is acting this side is in like that, and this is pulling inward. In that manner the coil is rotating. So that part I am taken here, that is the F3 is acting along this direction and F4 is acting along this direction, and both the forces F3 and F4 both are always the side equal to. Actually I told you that the side of the coil is always normal to that of the magnetic field, so that must be equal to whatever the force will be acting are equal to I L B maximum, and here also the force will be the I L B maximum. So both the forces are not acting along the same line of action. Both the forces are equal in magnitude, oppositely directed, but not acting along the same line of action. These are giving the couple to the coil, and due to that it is rotating in a the torque acts on the coil. So here that is AB is repetition, F3 is acting along this way, F4 is acting along this way. So this is the line of action, dotted is the line of action, this is the line of action, and these dotted lines are the magnetic field, that is uniform magnetic field, and theta is the angle made by the coil with the B vector. So here theta already have taken, theta equal to angle made by the coil, made by the loop or the coil, whatever may be, coil, angle made by the coil with B vector. Theta is the angle made by the coil with B vector. So what is the torque? The torque equal to either force multiplied with the arm of the couple or the perpendicular distance between the two line of actions. So torque equal to either force multiplied with the arm of the couple. What is the arm of the couple? AC is the arm of the couple, because it will be rotating in that manner. So what is the either force? Either force means ILB multiplied with AC, and this is equal to ILB multiplied with B cos theta, because you know that if it is theta it will be theta, and cos theta equal to B upon H, base upon the hypotenuse, the AC upon B, because this length was the B, this length was the width of the coil, that is B, that is cos theta equal to AC upon B, and AC equal to B cos theta. So now this will be equal to torque equal to I am keeping L and this small b, L into small b into capital B cos theta. Clear? What is the L small into L into small b? L was the length, B was the breadth. So multiplication is the area. So you can tell it as the I. This is the area of the coil A, B cos theta. Clear? If the coil is having n number of turns, if the coil 1 turn, 2 turn, like that n number of turns, if the coil is having n turns, if the coil is having n turns, so torque equal to, we can write n should be multiplied here, so I am writing Bina, B-I-N-A, Bina cos theta. The torque equal to, the torque acting on the coil equal to Bina cos theta. B-I-N-A, Bina cos theta. B is the magnetic field strength, I is the current, N is the number of turns, A is the area of the coil, theta is the angle made by the coil with the magnetic field. Another thing, just that the expression can be represented in a different form. You just be careful for that. Suppose if you draw the normal here, I am drawing the normal here. This is the normal. What is the angle? This is the normal. This normal, that is the n cap, the normal to the coil is making an angle alpha. Suppose if alpha is the alpha equal to angle made by normal to the coil normal to the coil with B vector. If alpha is the angle made by normal to the coil with B vector, so this will be the alpha. This is the 90 degree. So we can tell it as the what will be this angle? This is the B vector, and this is the normal. This angle is equal to alpha. If this is alpha, this also will be alpha. So you know it here. This is also alpha. So alpha plus theta equal to 90 degree. You get it, the alpha plus theta equal to pi by 2, or theta equal to pi by 2 minus alpha. And if you just reform the expression, torque equal to Bina, B-I-N-A, Bina cos, in place of theta you can write pi by 2 minus alpha, and this equal to Bina sin alpha. So here in this case you are finding torque equal to Bina sin alpha. The relation is very important. You just find the relation. If you find the expression for the sin alpha, alpha is the angle made by the normal with the B vector, and theta is the angle made by the coil with B vector. So from this expression we can write tau equal to B I N A, B, that is INA, that is the sin theta, and this can read as the B. What is that INA? INA is the, because that is the magnetic moment. That is the magnetic moment. We can tell it as the M sin theta, and in vector form we can represent torque equal to M vector cross B vector. This is the expression for the M vector cross B vector, and that part we will be finding in the next classes video. But here you just remember only this, the torque equal to Bina sin alpha and torque equal to Bina cos theta. Thank you.